Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, it's been a little while since I posted a video and I apologize. My schedule has just been swamped. I hope you guys are all staying busy out there and staying safe with this coronavirus stuff going on. Hey, I wanted to show you a new truck I just picked up. Let's take a look. All right, here she is. It's a dually F350. It's a 2007. She's not new, she's not perfect, but this will work great for me to get off of pulling a trailer. It's kind of just a little walk around. This was government owned, and with it being a 2007, it only has 79,000 miles on it. So some of you Ford guys may know a little bit more, but as I look at these trucks online, they have different headlights. These ones have the square, but it is indeed a 2007. It just looks older for some odd reason. Again, I'm not real familiar with these trucks. There's no major damage on it. There's a older style light. But this bed here, this is where all the business is gonna happen, of course. This bed is 8 feet by 8 feet, and when you do the math, it's about 4 square feet. I know it's not a whole lot, but 4 square feet bigger than my 6x10 trailer. So I'm still going through the layout as far as what I want to do, where I want everything. If you guys have any comments, or any of you out there that run flatbeds, definitely drop your comments below on how you would set this thing up. For me, probably going to run this curbside, just pull up in front of the customer's house. I'll probably do of course, a water tank back here, and then do the pressure hose probably over there, and then do a garden and a soft wash hose over here. Looks like it already has holes where it had boxes. I'm going to see if I can get some boxes for a good deal. Probably run a 12-volt system over there on that side. Probably put the 8-gallon-a-minute machine back here somewhere. Yet I'm still trying to figure out how I want to lay this out. I put a lot of time into trying to make sure things are efficient and safe, and it's going to work. Time's money. So hey, hope you guys are all doing great out there. Just wanted to show you real quick this new truck. We'll talk to you soon. I'll keep an eye out for videos as I build this thing up. It might be a little while as far as sourcing some of this stuff. I'm not sure what type of tank I'm going to use, all that good stuff. So hey, look for videos coming soon.